We'll talk a little bit about primers. Basically, they absorb, they're seal absorbent surfaces. They are a critical part of painting. They can create barriers and those types of things. We need to be mindful of how we need to make them work. Basically, no single sealer will necessarily perform all functions, so you get some sort of basis around what you need to do. So, for example, if you've got stains, solvent-based stain will seal water-based stains. Water-based seals will seal oil-based stains is the general rule. You've got specialist primers, so you've got metal primers, you've got all sorts of specialist primers available. Undercoats are primarily an intermediate coat, whether it's in protective coatings or architectural and decorative. Your sealer undercoat is a combined one, and basically, it provides a sealer for all of the interior, and that gives you a standard substrate to work off if it's applied correctly. It's a compromise. It's not, of trying to get two products into one.